Hello everyone, this is Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to do a room tour of 7295, a grand suite on the Carnival Freedom. You want to hang out to the very end because we absolutely love this room, but there are a couple issues. If you're vertically challenged, you're a tall person over 6 foot, or you're a big person, there could be some issues for you. Hang out to the very end and we're going to show you what those are. But again, we did love this grand suite room. Thank you. Like and subscribe. All right, we're doing $72.95 on the Carnival Freedom. This is a grand suite room, and I just walked in to cut the lights on and put my book bag in here. So as soon as you come in, we're still in the Miami port. You have a mirror here. It's kind of full. As soon as you walk in, immediately to the right, you have your life jackets, your robes, plenty of hangers. Shelving. Of course, I put my fishbowl here, but you have outlets, water, ice bucket, nice little area here. They do have lamps with USB plug-ins. A mirror, really nice room. I like this. Let's see if he's pull out. Yes, pull out drawer here, like a little desk area. Seat pulls out, and right here you have your refrigerator with your phone. And our son is with us, so this normally is a couch, but that turns into a bed as well. Nice sitting area over here to the right. This is kind of looking, as soon as you come in to the left, 2 beds turned in, pushed together to a king bed. We'll go outside in a second, but this is looking back to where you came in. That's where our son will sleep. Again, another lamp on that side with 2 USB plugs. Again, we're still in the Miami port. I'll show you what this looks like once we're out on the ocean. Full mirror in the back with lights. Again, those 2 lamps have the 2 USB ports for charging. There's another phone back here. Lights back in the background. Plenty of storage. Top up here is a TV there. Your safe here. Bottom has plenty of storage. Also an area if you wanted to plug up something to your TV. Plenty of dresser drawers here. So you got 8 drawers here. I opened this up earlier. You got a light on this side to hang clothes. And then when you turn this side open, it cuts on as well on this side. So again, plenty of storage. This is by far the best room we've ever had. And then you come into the bathroom area. You got a foyer area. You got a little sitting area to wash your hands. Got an outlet here. You can brush your teeth, put your makeup on here. I'll probably do my vlog and set my computer up in this area. Then you got a closet space here, extra linens. More hangers. Light cuts on this side. And then your light switches over on this side. I've already cut the light on. And then we go into our bathroom. Really nice bathroom. Look at this tile. I don't know if that's granite. You got 2 sinks, bottom, full mirrors that come out to the side, storage on the left and the right. Got a toilet with plenty of room here. If you're a big guy, doesn't matter, you got plenty of room. You got a bidet, you got your toilet paper, towels. It's got a full tub with jets, so you can take a bath or a stand-up shower. Then you got your string here you can pull out and hang up your clothes. You already got your soap dispensers, soap holder, shower curtain that pulls over in case you want to take a shower. Nice and spacious. I'm a big guy. I'm 6 foot, 300 plus pounds, and plenty of space in here. There is a step up here. This is definitely not wheelchair accessible, but this is nice. Definitely nice. We'll go out on the back deck. I'll show you what it looks like here in port, which is not going to be a pretty view. All right, this is coming out on the deck. Got a nice lounger here, and we are in port. But you can see you got 2 chairs on this side, plenty of room left to right and out here. Got 2 windows, one on each side, and a door. There's a little table in between. So yeah, you'll be able to sit out here. We'll take another video once we're out at the ocean. And definitely in the port so you can see what it looks like. But this is nice. There's the Miami skyline. Really nice suite. All right, guys, I want to show y'all something. I'm 6 foot tall. This comes right at my knee to get up and in this tub. So I want to show you guys something real quick. So getting up and in this thing is kind of tough. You got to hold on to get in. And then I want to show you something else here. All right, I'm 6 foot tall. I got about probably 4 inches. Okay, I got this thing stretched as far as I can from the bottom up. So I probably, if I'm standing straight up, I got about 4 inches. So when I pull this taut, it makes the hose taut and it cuts off the water pressure. The water, like a hose, like a kink in the hose. So if you're 6'3", 6'4", you're gonna have a hard time. You're gonna have to bend down to, yeah, I got my clothes on there, but you're gonna have to bend down to wash your hair. So just let you know that if you're 6'3", 6'4", or taller, you're gonna have a hard time in the shower. I just wanted to show you guys, if you're tall, or you have a hard time with mobility getting up and in a tub, you're gonna have a hard time in these grand suites, just to let you know. This is also the view, like getting out of the shower. So that's a long step down, as I showed you. It's probably 2.5 feet down. That floor can be slick, so you definitely gotta have something down there. You definitely wanna hold on to the sides or the top. So yeah, this can be a mobility issue if you're If you're challenged vertically or you're really tall, it could be an issue. Just want to kind of let everybody know that ahead of time. And as you can see, this goes up here. There's not a lot of room between the top and this. So I just want to show you guys that real quick. Hey, thank you for checking out this video on the Grand Suite on the Carnival Freedom. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe to our channel, Lovey's Fat Life. The fat stands for food and travel. We love cruising and going to the Smoky Mountains. We also like smoking meat and grilling. Thank you and have a blessed day.